How to do a retort of mud. First of all, take your retort cup, make sure there is no leftover cuttings, and also check your cap, make sure there is nothing on that as well. Now take your sample and fill the cup all the way to the top, like so.
Remember to filter the mud through a funnel filter prior to filling up the cream cup. Now we take the temperature gauge and measure the mud. We want it to be at room temperature. We don't want it to be at drilling fluid temperature. Now take your cap and press it over the top. You will notice it will overflow. This is what you want to see. If there's no overflowing, you haven't put enough mud into the cup. Now just take a rag and wipe off the excess. Make sure you clean the threads, as this will be difficult to get off once burned.
Now take the top of the retort and clean out the pipe. You need to make sure this is clear all the way, if not you will damage the equipment. Very important step.
So take some wool, make sure it's nice and puffy, put it in. It doesn't need to be pushed down, just slot it in. Now take some easy out for the threads, so it's easy to break off the threads once burned. Now screw it on and tighten just by hand, like so.
Okay, now connect the two together. They should slip on all the way in, and back it off slightly and tighten the silver part onto the retort. And now it's ready for the burner. Now it's preheated, so be careful when placing it in. Slide it in, close the lid, and leave it to burn for around an hour.
Okay, this is it all done, so we can now remove and calculate what percentage we've got. Now you need to be measuring with your eyes level to the test tube.
So the final result is 38 total. Now if the volume was all the way to 50, that would mean that the fluid in the cup was pure, but we have solids in there that are left over, so that's where the missing part is. And now the water on the bottom is at 9.5, so we will just add this into our paperwork.
Oil will always sit on top of water as well, so remember that. So we'll add this into the daily sheet on the computer, like so. And there's no percentage, so you just have to put in the mil of what you see. And to find the percentage of this, you just have to times it by 2.